Putting up different houses on the farm requires you to have the knowledge of how to get the materials, what are the materials, the quantities, the dimensions of the houses. So like we promised, today we are giving you everything that concerns putting up farmhouses. Like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more educative videos coming your way. And in this video, we are going to have the engineer take us through that. Greetings everyone. Henry Mtevi is my name, Head of Construction in Master Cares Ministries. I'm taking you through on the project of farming, on how the farmer can manage to put up such a structure. This is a chicken house on a small farm. We built it raised from the ground. You see our place is a bit waterlogged, so we want it to be free from the water. Its size, it's 6 meters by 3 meters. We put the mesh. Mesh is affordable cost here. We put this wood, we put it on the ground, and at the end you find that we don't raise it so much from the ground because we want free entrance of light and air, and then we also leave it space up there so that there is enough aeration for the chicken birds in here. So this is an affordable structure whereby a normal farmer can manage. It ranges between 3.5 to 3.8 million when it's built. The foundation is made of the bricks, then we raise it with the local poles, local wood, and the local timbers. So it's an affordable structure for our ordinary farmer. We also have this is a goat's barn where we're going to keep the goats. We have 2 goats in here. This is where they stay before they're feeding. Behind here is their feeding area. So we also raise the foundation, still to protect the water. We come again and we use the ordinary wood. If you look at these ordinary woods, a piece goes to 1,000 to 1,200 at market price. But for us, what we do, we bind plenty, and you find that the cost goes down, like up to 800 shilling a piece. You find that this piece of wood is 7,000. So you can use about 10 to 12 logs here. And the iron sheet is 32,000, the cheaper gauge. So you find that it becomes easy and cheaper for the ordinary farmer to manage and build such a structure. The dimension of this one, actually it's 7 feet by 7 feet. It can accommodate 2 goats at the same time. The farm still contains some more structures. We looked at the chicken house, we looked at the one for the goats, then we have for the piggery. Piggery, we use the same material that you use on the other side. I've given you the cost already. We use cement to raise the foundation. This one is on 15 feet by 9 feet. So this one can accommodate 2 pigs at the same time with the young ones, the piglets, right here. On my other side, this is a kraal for the cows. Same material used. Here we don't use the other logs of the wood we use here, but we use the poles. The cheaper poles I told you are around 8,000, 7,000 a piece. We're also putting up a feeding structure where it will feed from, where it can have the water from. So you find that only local material is being used. This one for the 1 cow, it can accommodate young ones. This is where it stays as it's feeding. This is where it stays before it is feeding. We give it a ramp. You can see a ramp is there just because of the level of the foundation. As I told you already that we are running out from the running water because of the logged area. This means you can construct in any area, in any place, as long as is it a waterlogged area, is it a flat area, is it a dry area, every place can do a farm. Taking you through the costs, we use some burnt bricks. You can see burnt bricks around here. Each brick here delivered on site goes between 150 shillings to 180 shillings, depending on the distance it has been picked from. We also use sand, the lake sand, that we pick it from the river. A trip reaches here to 80,000. You can see it's an affordable price. I'm talking about a 4-truck ton. And then we also use The cement goes to 35,000 shillings a bag of cement. So you can see all the materials we have are locally sourced within the area.
I hope the explanations were very good. You might want to use other materials and doing it another way, but just don't deviate from what the engineer has explained in the video. Putting up farmhouses can be very interesting because they are the places in which you are going to develop your projects. Like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more educative videos coming your way.